The time has come for us to perform the Crimson Demon's secret rite, the Augmentation Surge. Freeze bind! Now, somebody come slay this thing.
That's all it is? The augmentation surge is just beating a monster that can't fight back?
Don't you worry. This thing is on the brink of death thanks to my magic. So, it's time for someone to show their bravery. Who will claim victory over this horrific monster?
The first blow should be struck by the most prodigious among us. I am up for the challenge.
Megumin!
You've got the fighting spirit. It's no wonder you're top of the class. Now then, I need to prepare the rest of the ritual. Get busy boosting those levels.
Hey, you're really doing this?
I have to. It pains me, but Crimson Demons must get used to battle. We get to level up by taking out a monster that's already on the verge of death? Easy! Now, Servant of Evil, listen to my requiem and prepare for eternal slumber!
Wait a minute! Isn't this thing supposed to be half dead?
Damn you! Insolent cold-blooded fiend! Hear the primal cry of a born warrior! I am victorious!